Alright guys, so now that we know it does run, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and tighten the carburetor, put the air box back on, and button everything up. Now while it was running, I did notice that I had a few leaks. The seal on the back of my water pump was leaking right here. The small tube on the water pump, that seal was leaking coolant, and this seal right here was leaking oil. Also, you want to make sure you torque those 14 millimeter bolts, because if not, you're gonna have leaking around your head. Bam! Watch out now, watch out now. Howdy, hey guys, welcome back. Man, we got another video, man. Finishing up on this fold. I know y'all posted. I know y'all probably saying I got way too many videos attached to this playlist. I just wanted to make sure I was a little thorough in case there was any questions about anything. But as you can see, we got it running. And it fires up first hit. After it's warm up, of course. But once it gets warm up, hit the button, fires right up. No issues at all. I do have an oil leak at that rear seal in the back of the engine where the drive shaft comes out at. I do have an oil leak there, but you probably will see me do a whole nother video just doing that. It's gonna be a short video. But with that being said, make sure you guys go ahead and like my video, subscribe to my channel, share my video, share my other videos on my channel, and make sure y'all subscribe. But in this video, it's not gonna be long. It's gonna be pretty short. All I'm gonna do is put this thing on the time lapse, watch me put all these plastics back on, put all the other pieces back on, throw the seat back on, throw the fender wells back in, and this bad boy be ready to go, man. But I ain't gonna hold you up any longer than I've already done. I'm gonna put you guys on like a little montage time lapse, and we'll get back to it. Bam! All right, guys, man, you guys saw that time lapse. Like I told you, this video was gonna be short, sweet, straight to the point. Oh, sorry about that. So the only thing we got left right now is the gear shifter knob and the air box top and the seat, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this gear shifter knob put on. I won't put this on the time lapse since I was on time lapse the pretty much the entire video. It's just 2 Phillips screws. Get the knob. Get your screws. Alright, once you got the holes lined up, take the screws and start them back. Just that simple, guys. Alright, and this last one. Alright, guys, the shifter's done. Alright, let me go grab the seat out the shed and the other pieces, and I'll be right back. Bam! I'm back, guys, man. It kind of got dark on me real quick. So let me grab this seat. Alright, guys, so the seat is on. The bad boy is pretty much done. As you can see, we got pretty much all the plastic on. I am missing that bottom piece of plastic there, but I've never had it from the start, so I won't worry about it. And we're gonna do a quick walk around, and I'll come back in the daytime to show you, but I just want to show you guys the progress as of now. And as you can see, everything over here is done.